Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to set a ringtone for contact on Samsung One UI 8 version. So if you have any Samsung device running the One UI 8 version or you set individual ringtone for the contact, follow this tutorial. First of all, open the app drawer and tap the phone app on your device. Now here you need to select the contact you want to change the ringtone. So we select this. Now tap on the eye icon at the end. So tap on the eye icon. Now tap on a more at the bottom right corner. Here you can find the change ringtone or vibration option. Tap on it. Now tap on the ringtone. Now you can see the list of different available ringtone on your Samsung One UI 8 version. Here you can see the Samsung brand sound, Galaxy. You can see the list of different available category. If you want to set the downloaded song or any MP3 audio file, you need to add it in the custom section. To set the custom ringtone for individual contact, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now select the ringtone from your device, track, album, artist or folders. Here you can select the folder and select the ringtone or MP3 file you downloaded on your device. So open your device, just select the ringtone, tap on a done. Now you can see add this ringtone to your custom list and it will set to the contact ringtone. So it's quite easy to set individual ringtone for a contact in your latest Samsung One UI 8 version. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.